Hi everyone, welcome back to Beno Sester Malka's channel. This is our weekly updated Shelfie. As you could see, again, different location, and a huge shout out to every single homeschooler who over the past many years has shown their homeschool kind of shelves, because I realized I don't know when we're going back to school. I got news summer camps are canceled, and so I had to come up with a more permanent, for now anyway, sustainable idea. So I'm just going to go through what's on our shelf this week. And, if you see anything that you have, or if you see anything you like, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, because you know what? We're all here to learn together. So on the top shelf are the things we're more or less going to do daily. I have over here, these are the Montessori, this is the multiplication packet. I also have the division, and this is, we're up to 7s this week, where we've been kind of covering multiplication and division together. We started doing it separately. For some reason, it worked better together, so that's something we're really excited about. And good news is that this is on sale in our shop, so you could really just use this printable and you don't need to buy the rest, but highly recommend the Montessori stuff because that's really amazing. Next, we're doing area and perimeter. So these two games, they're just fun. They're just a fun way to review it. We are finally starting fairy tales this week. I know I keep saying it, but totally we are. Next, I have a die, and we just use it for literally everything. It's always good to have a die on hand. I have this game here. It's called the Game Plan. It's more for socialization, but reality is we're not in school, and I think just having that connection and keeping these discussions open are super important. So we're just going to keep that there. I have head full of numbers. I think it's important, always review the basics and come back. Over here we have just like a few fun pens, pencils. This paintbrush is actually a really cool pencil, but you need your supplies. Like I said, this homeschool thing is definitely going to be permanent through the summer, and we're going to continue this as kind of like after school type of club. Over here we just have some Hebrew cards where we're learning that as a second language. So this is what we know. This is what we're working on. Here we started a new book. It's Heather the Rainbow Fairy. And of course we have our diary. Over here we have our games. This fun one is Racco. It is so much fun. It is so simple, and it's one of those like order sequencing kind of games. And you know what? Even though a lot of it is based on luck, there's that strategy of which number based off of probability. So I like that game. Here we have a mixture of dictionary and spelling words, and yeah, this is how we do it. It's actually based on natural learning versus the words I pick up. So if we read a word, we'll go over that. Here I have sub shops where we do all sorts of learning with it. We've actually included, we rewrote the menu, and we've included decimals in terms of money. So that's really fun. This game is Bedecked. I like it. It's just a fun matching type of game, but it's amazing. And this one here is Castle Logics, and as you can tell, it's a logic game. So here we have it. If you see anything you like, if you see anything you have, if you see anything that you have questions on, feel free to ask. Speaking about questions, can't leave a question here, but have no fear. I do have a link below to my Instagram account where just feel free to send me a message and I will answer every last question you have about this or anything else you see in terms of education, because you know what? We're all in this together. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to see what will be on our shelves next week. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Have a wonderful week.